Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video we are going to be talking about how you can be able to withdraw your Layeredge airdrop. Alright, so first of all you need to withdraw your token before you can be able to sell it. Selling Layeredge airdrop is going to start tomorrow, being the 2nd of June 2025. Alright, so right now guys, to kick it off right now, you need to click over here on start. In case you are wondering, this website, the link to this website is going to be left right there on the video description box. Once you click on it, then you are going to be brought right here, airdrop.layeredge.foundation. So you go ahead and click on enter right now. Once you click on enter, you are going to be taken to something like your dashboard, where you are going to be required to connect your wallet using this button right here. Okay, but in most cases, if you have already connected your wallet, then it will automatically detect that you have connected your wallet. But if in case it doesn't detect that you have connected your wallet, you simply go ahead and click on connect wallet, then you select your preferred wallet, then you go ahead and click on connect. All right, so once it opens up, you go ahead and click on connect right here. And once you click on connect, immediately your wallet is going to be connected right now. Then you need to head back right now. You can see our wallet has been connected, so we click on next, and over here this is where it is going to be checking your eligibility. So looking over here right now, you can see we have initial allocation to be 312, and we have the final allocation to be 256. This is because there are some adjustments has been made to people's allocation. So everyone is complaining, majority actually is complaining that the allocation is small. Like myself, I think this is very small, as they are going to be listing around $0.5 or $1, but compared to the what we have right here, the allocation is pretty very small. All right, but we do not have a say about that. Right now we proceed on how to claim the airdrop. Right, so right now they have some FAQ question right here, and of course this is why you may not be eligible. You are not going to be eligible if you didn't connect your wallet before 25th of March 2025. Then you are not going to be eligible for this airdrop. But if you have already gotten your points, do not panic, because in the later time you are going to be able to claim this your point. What you need to do right now is simply make sure that you have started participating on the phase 3, because through this phase 3 you are going to be able to claim the point that you have earned on phase 1, on phase 2. So phase 3 has actually started, and I have made a well detailed video guide about that. The video is right there on our channel. You go ahead and check it out. Okay, so right now I will go ahead and click on next, and clicking on next right now, they are going to be telling you how you were able to get your point. The first one is testnet, which involve phase 1 and phase 2, and the second one is verified referral, that's the amount of referral you have, and the third one is how the OG pledge pass that we actually minted. So right now guys, you can see we have the on-chain claim, which is going to be starting on the 2nd, meaning that if you want to withdraw through your wallet, in case you do not have a crypto exchange like Kucoin, Hobby, Hashkey and the rest, then you need to wait until the 2nd of June. That is when you are going to be able to claim to your wallet. All right, so right now we go ahead and click on claim to centralized exchange, because we want to be selling immediately. So right now you are going to be asked to input the amount of you are going to ask to select your preferred exchange. All right, even if your exchange isn't showing here, then you are required to come over here and specify your exchange information. For example, input your exchange deposit address and of course your exchange UID. So we need to select Kucoin, because in this video I'm going to be using Kucoin for this sample. So right now I'm going to be required to go to my Kucoin to get my deposit address for EGIN, which is of course the Layeredge token. So over here right now on my Kucoin, I need to come over here to wallet. All right, assets right here, and right here on assets, then let's allow this to open up, and right here on assets right now you need to click on deposit. Okay, I will click on deposit right now, and once I click on deposit, I need to search for the token that I want to deposit. You search for EGIN like this, and you can see this is it right here, Layeredge. We click on it, and right now your wallet is going to be generated immediately. You can see EGIN deposit only support Ethereum chain now, so we click on got it right now. Your wallet is going to be generated immediately after you select ERC20, which is Ethereum. And over here guys, you can see the deposit time is approximately 3 minutes, which you are going to be receiving maybe around starting from tomorrow, I think. And over here guys, you can see minimum deposit is 0, so we click on this right now, then our wallet is finally going to be generated. So we go ahead and click on copy to copy our wallet address. And right now we have copied our wallet address right now. Then I need to head back right here to this website. Then I have to impute my wallet address right there from Kucoin. So right now that I impute wallet address, the next thing is for us to get our Kucoin user ID. How do you get your Kucoin user ID? So to be able to get your Kucoin user ID, come back right now to your wallet right now. Okay, so let's check out something before we get our ID. You click on this drop down right here. You can see we have okay, so I was also looking for minimum withdrawal right here. Okay, so but let's go back right now and continue getting our Kucoin ID. To get your Kucoin ID, you need to come back right now to the home button. Then you go ahead and click on this admin button at the top left corner. You click on it, and right now this is your UID right here. Okay, you click on this right now to to copy your UID. I actually want to copy my UID. Okay, I will click on it to copy my UID. So right now I need to come over here to this Layeredge website. I impute my UID on the last section. You can see, make sure that you do not miss them. For example, do not impute user ID right here. Make sure you are imputing your address right here, and here that we have user ID, this is where you impute it. You click on this, it is going to be insert right now. You click on claim now. Okay, so once click on claim right now, you can see this is the airdrop terms and condition. You need to go ahead and read all this if you want to, but I will just go ahead and click on continue. All right, I will click on accept rather. Okay, you can see the button is not working. I think we need to get to the bottom first. Okay, right now the button is now live. I will click on accept right now, and you can see it is loading right now, and I think we need to approve this through our wallet. Okay, you can see the processes that I'm going through. So I need to click on confirm, and clicking on confirm right now, we should be good to go from here. Okay, just give it a little time to load up. Let's see what we're gonna have next. Okay, right now guys, we have now done it, and over you can see we have claim successful right now. All right, so over you can see we have this saying that you have claimed your edging, and edging will be visible upon listing. All right, so token to claim, I'm going to be claiming 257.6, and of course this is my Kucoin, this is my UID, and of course everything is just right here. Okay, so this is what you need to do right now. So let's click on next. Let's see what we're gonna have. I will click on next right now, and clicking on next right now, we are going to be taken to the staking section where we are going to be staking our token if we want to. All right, so we have the community round, which is coming very, very soon. This community round involves when users are going to be making purchases. All right, so right now this is all you need to know. So let me not make the video to be very long, but that is basically all you need to know about how you can be able to withdraw your Layeredge airdrop. All right, so stay ahead of others and join us right there on Telegram. The link to our Telegram channel is going to be right there on the video description box, and do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. More good information are coming your way, and do not forget to let me know your thoughts about Layeredge on the video comments, and tell me your allocation, and also let me know what you think generally about the Layeredge airdrop. So thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that is going to be dropping very, very soon.